Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 13. Let him firmly hold his body, head and neck erect and still, gazing at the tip of the nose without looking around.
Chapter 6, Shloka 13. Samam kaya shiro grivam dharayannachalam sthirah samprekshya nasikagram swam dishaschanav lokayan.
Chapter 6, Shloka 13. After describing the external seat, now what the posture of the body should be is explained. Details about how the seat must be prepared and how to employ the mind and intellect during meditation have been dealt with. It was also said that the mind should be made single-pointed by subduing the activities of the senses and the imagination. For correct posture of the body, the vertebral column, the neck and the head should be held erect and perpendicular to the base of the seat on which you are seated. The body should be held firm and not swing in any direction. The gaze of the eye should be held towards the tip of the nose to control the mind from wandering during meditation, as there is a close connection between the mind and eye. When we are deeply pondering over something, we close our eyes and hold our head in a direction toward the tip of the nose quite naturally. The principle is that where the eyes go, the mind faithfully follows. Whenever one is confused or indecisive, his look becomes unsteady and wandering in confusion. For and during meditation, this helps to bring the mind from outside to inside. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.